Hello, thanks for dropping in. So we're having a look at this 64. Now, I have now sticking the screwdriver into the potentiometer to try and make this look better on this modern screen. So I'm turning it down. Well, actually, it doesn't look bad in black and white. It's when the color is introduced that it really starts to look bad. Anyway, and I will turn up the color some because it doesn't need to be that bright. I don't know, maybe run it. Now there's another potentiometer in here on the other side of that box thing. I don't know. I see no difference. Well, there's a little wave through there, but nothing really. Oh, well, that's interesting. Oh, yeah. We control the vertical. We control the horizontal. Yeah. Anyway, pretty awful. And I can't even change the colors for you right now. So, because I don't have the keyboard attached. Anyway, I think it's a beautiful machine. It's just not meant to go on the modern monitor thing. It's just not. So that was fun. I think what I really need to do to demonstrate things is find another 64, and I think somewhere around here I can probably do that. So thanks for coming. Oh, by the way, another machine I was looking at, I thought, oh yeah, I can use this one. Said it's okay. Well, it doesn't have a PLA chip in it. Anyway, thanks for coming. Stay tuned. Bye for now.